Welcome to Agri Gadget Picks. Best chainsaw chain sharpener options help keep your cutting tools performing with precision and reliability. In this guide, the best chainsaw chain sharpener is highlighted to support smoother cuts, extended chain life, and consistent performance. Discover practical features that ensure accuracy and long-term value. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Sharp Wrench Chain Sharpener. The Sharp Wrench Chain Sharpener offers a highly convenient cordless solution for anyone who needs reliable on-the-go chain maintenance. Designed as a complete portable kit, it includes multiple sharpening wheels in all essential sizes and a helpful angle guide that makes it easy to achieve consistent results. Once in hand, the ergonomic body and cordless freedom make the sharpening process smooth, whether you're a first-timer or an experienced user. What really sets it apart is its ability to outperform traditional hand filing, giving each tooth the same angle and depth so the entire chain ends up razor sharp. With adjustable speed settings and a motor built with smooth, durable bearings, the tool delivers clean, precise sharpening with minimal effort. It's a strong choice for users who want fast, accurate results without dealing with the limitations of manual files or the inconvenience of cords, making it ideal for fieldwork and regular chainsaw maintenance.
Number 2. EzzDoo Coated Chain Sharpener. The EzzDoo Coated Chain Sharpener stands out as a compact yet powerful cordless tool perfect for fast sharpening anywhere. Its 12-volt power system provides far more strength than typical USB-powered sharpeners, allowing it to restore even very dull chains in just minutes. The tool is designed for simplicity: no chain removal, no setup hassle, and no complex adjustments. With the included angle attachment and detailed instructional videos, even beginners can master sharpening quickly and achieve consistent angles on every tooth. The titanium-coated bits are a major advantage, offering enhanced durability and long life while providing smooth sharpening across different chain types. This kit includes multiple bit sizes, ensuring compatibility with virtually all common chainsaw chains. Whether you're maintaining tools in the woods or prepping equipment at a job site, its speed and precision help eliminate the frustrations of hand filing while saving valuable time and effort. It's a highly practical upgrade for routine chainsaw care.
Number 3. Sharp Pebble Chain Sharpener. The Sharp Pebble Chain Sharpener is a dependable corded sharpening tool built for users seeking steady power and consistent performance. Operating on 120V, it delivers smooth, controlled sharpening, supported by a complete kit that includes an angle guide, wrench, and a full set of sharpening wheels. The user-friendly design benefits both beginners and seasoned chainsaw operators, offering an ergonomic grip and a simple setup that maintaining correct angles effortless. It excels in delivering uniform sharpening across every tooth, something that's often difficult to achieve with manual files. You simply set the grinding angle and rotate through the chain, ensuring equal sharpness throughout. Adjustable speed settings allow for precise finishing, while high-quality bearings help the cutting disc run with excellent stability. This results in cleaner cuts, extended chain life, and reduced wear on your saw. Perfect for garage setups, workshops, or regular maintenance routines, it provides a reliable sharpening solution that consistently restores chains to peak condition.
Number 4. EzzDoo Hardness Chain Sharpener. The EzzDoo Hardness Chain Sharpener delivers impressive durability and performance with its titanium-coated diamond wheels, designed to last significantly longer than standard sharpening bits. The kit includes multiple wheel sizes to accommodate all common chains, allowing users to sharpen different chains without replacement hassle. Setup is quick, requiring only a few initial steps, and the included instructional video makes operation simple for newcomers. Once running, its high-power motor ensures rapid sharpening, easily restoring even heavily worn chains in minutes and eliminating the slow, inconsistent nature of hand filing. The angle attachment is one of its strongest features, helping maintain precise angle and depth, which protects the chain from damage and results in a razor-sharp finish. This sharpener not only boosts efficiency, but also enhances safety by ensuring the chain cuts cleanly and smoothly. Packaged attractively and built for practical use, it serves as a perfect companion for professionals, homeowners, and anyone who frequently uses a chainsaw.
Number 5. OUBA Diamond Chain Sharpener. The OUBA Diamond Chain Sharpener is an all-inclusive cordless sharpening system designed for users who want versatility, power, and long battery life. It comes with a generous 53-piece accessory kit, covering everything from sharpening and grinding to polishing and carving, making it a multifunctional tool beyond chainsaw maintenance. Powered by a 12-volt lithium battery, it offers strong, stable performance with speed settings ranging from 5,000 to 18,000 RPM, allowing users to match the tool speed to different tasks. The pure copper motor ensures excellent durability and heat dissipation, maintaining consistent performance even during extended use. With multiple diamond wheels, grinding stones, cutting discs, and polishing pads, the tool adapts to nearly any sharpening requirement across various chain types. It's an excellent choice for users who want more than a basic chainsaw sharpener, providing a compact, portable, and powerful kit that supports precision work while minimizing downtime thanks to its fast-charging battery system.
Choosing the best chainsaw chain sharpener ensures your equipment remains efficient, safe, and ready for demanding tasks. With the right model, you gain sharper cuts, reduced wear, and dependable performance. Use this guidance to select a sharpener that delivers lasting value and keeps your chainsaw operating at its highest potential.